I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Today we're settling a running argument in the edit. Should you AI denoise or sharpen first? Denoise first, sharpen second. Always. Here is why and where it goes wrong. AI denoise is trained on noisy and clean image pairs, so it predicts what the clean pixel should be. It strips the grainy speckle and the color blotches while holding on to edges. Because it is cleaning detail that actually exists, it is largely faithful. Sharpening works the other way. It boosts micro-contrast along edges, and it can correct a small focus miss. But that part is invention, not recovery. So order matters. Sharpen a noisy file and you amplify the noise into hard specks. Then denoising has to fight your own sharpening. Clean the file first. Sharpen the real detail that remains. And keep both hands light. Push denoise too far and the model can no longer tell texture from noise, so it averages both away. That is the watercolor look. Pores vanish, hair turns to ribbons. Judge it at 100% on skin or fabric, never on a smooth sky. One more thing. Not every photo wants to be clean. Grain is part of film, reportage, and low light. Clean is a choice, not a default. If you'd like the step-by-step on this, it's waiting at aiprophotography.com.